In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DocuSign to a PDF. The process is straightforward, and by following just a few simple steps, you'll be able to easily incorporate electronic signatures into any PDF document. Let's get started by navigating to your DocuSign homepage. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the Start button. This is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. By selecting this option, you're initiating the process and indicating that you're ready to upload your documents and add signatures. Next, it's time to upload the documents that you need to be signed. You'll do this by choosing the file or files directly from your computer. Make sure you have these documents prepared beforehand to ensure a seamless flow. Clicking on the Upload button will open a dialog box from which you can select the specific PDF or multiple PDFs you wish to work with. Once your files are successfully uploaded, you'll be taken to the next step. Here, you'll need to enter the name and email address of the person who will be signing the document. This is crucial as it identifies the recipient and ensures that the signed document is returned to the correct email address. After carefully entering the required details, hit the Next button to proceed. This step not only personalizes the signing experience, but also sets the stage for a quick turnaround. Now you arrive at the fun part, adding the actual signature field to your PDF. Under the section labeled Standard Fields, you'll find options like signature, date, and other fields pertinent to your document. What you want to do is drag the sign field to the specific location in the document where you need the recipient to sign. Imagine it as placing a sticky note on the paper, but in a digital format. You can move it around until it's exactly where you want it to be. And there you have it. By following these steps carefully, you've successfully set up a PDF document for electronic signature using DocuSign. This method not only saves time and resources, but also enhances the efficiency and reliability of document exchanges, especially in professional settings. Remember, electronic signatures are becoming the norm, and mastering tools like DocuSign can significantly streamline workflows and boost productivity. Whether you're managing contracts, agreements, or any documents that require signing, this guide has empowered you to do so effortlessly. Keep practicing, and soon adding DocuSign to a PDF will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.